Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to solve the exercise DOM-XSS via client-side prototype pollution. In the video description you will find a link to a write-up. The write-up contains more detailed descriptions. So if you have any questions, just have a look in the write-up. After starting the exercise, the blog should be similar to the one in the video. In the address line of the browser, we insert the property proto-foo equals bar at the end of the address and confirm the entry with enter. As you can see, nothing changes on the website for the time being. We now open the DevTools. The easiest way to do this is to move the mouse over the blog and press the right mouse button. Then select Inspect from the context menu. In my case, the context menu is in German. Examine is the same as Inspect. In the DevTools, we switch to the Console tab. As I am using the built-in browser from Burp Suite, you will see the message DOM Invader is not enabled. In the console, we now enter object.prototype to display the properties of the object. If we now examine the properties of the returned object, we see that it now has a foo property with the value bar. We have thus successfully found a source of prototype contamination. In DevTools, we now switch to the Sources tab and look for JavaScript files that are loaded by the application and may contain DOM-XSS syncs. In the JavaScript file searchlogger.js, the object config has the property transport_URL. This property is used to attach a script to the DOM. Note that no transport_URL property is defined for the config object. This is a possible function for controlling src of the script element. We now use our identified property transport_URL as the prototype pollution source. To do this, we append proto_transport_URL equals foo back to our query string in the address bar of our browser and press enter. If we now switch to the Elements tab in the DevTools, we can see that the DOM contains a new script tag. Change the payload in the URL to inject an XSS proof of concept. For example, you can use a data URL as follows. We receive the following window and have solved the exercise.